Welcome to SpiraTrol. My name is Darren Silverthorne and I work for Group Product Management for the SpiraTrol Controls product range. I would like to introduce you to the SpiraTrol control valve body, suitable for the control of pressure, temperature and flow. The SpiraTrol has been designed with our customers' operational needs first. So why choose the SpiraTrol? With its cage-retained seat design, maintenance is quick and simple with no special tools required. And most importantly, it can be maintained without removing it from the line. This minimises downtime and maximises your process productivity. So now I'm going to show you how quick and simple it is to replace the valve plug and valve seats. Once the actuator is removed, you need to loosen the bonnet, nuts or bolts and remove them. Lift off the bonnet, allowing clearance for the valve plug and stem. And then you can remove the plug. When maintaining the valve plug and seats, we would recommend that you replace any soft spares such as gaskets and stem seals. With the stem seals in the bonnet, you can leave the valve in line and take the bonnet away to a workbench or more suitable place. So back to the valve. First we need to remove the cage, then we need to remove the seat. And as you can see, it's very quick, very simple, no special tools are required. With the seat gasket replaced, you can now fit the new seat and refit the cage. Before fitting the bonnet, we need to install the new plug, and then we can put the bonnet back in place. So we can see with the cage retained seat design, we use the cage to hold the seat in place, and we use the bonnet with the bonnet nuts and bolts to hold the cage on top of the seat and maintain it in place while the valve is in service. Finally, we need to refit the bonnet nuts or bolts. These need to be tightened in a particular sequence to a specified torque. For full installation and maintenance instructions, please consult the appropriate manual, see the SpiraTrol website, or contact your local representative. Thank you for watching.